This is Alan Harris from Blue Line Trading. This is an actual alert from our service sent out on Thursday, August 16th for trades to be implemented on Friday, August 17th. I'm going to leave this alert up on the screen long enough to read the entire alert. Each one of these recommended trades went on to make triple-digit gains. Instead of fancy videos telling you how rich you can get trading stocks and options by guys making all kinds of promises as to how they're going to teach you how to do it, we're actually doing it. This is an actual alert sent out to our subscribers. I'm not going to tell you what happened on each one of these trades. I urge you to go ahead and look it up on a chart and draw your own conclusion as to what you should do.